Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into First Tennessee Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for First Tennessee Bank. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Look for the login button located on the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. You'll see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your login for future visits, check the Remember Me option. Once you've confirmed your information, click the Login button to proceed. Wait a moment as the system processes your request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case of an incorrect username or password, you will receive an error message. Follow the prompts if you need to reset your password. For security, make sure to log out after your session. Now you are successfully logged into First Tennessee Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.